How to uninstall WavePad from PC. First of all, click on the Start menu and go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon. In the Settings window, select Apps from the available options. Now, under Apps and Features, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find WavePad. Once you find it, click on WavePad and you'll see the Uninstall button appear. Click on it. A confirmation pop-up will show. Click on Install again to confirm. The system will now begin removing WavePad from your PC. This process may take a few moments. After it's done, you can check the list to make sure WavePad no longer appears under installed apps. And that's it. Now you know how to uninstall WavePad from PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.